Akintoye, thank you so much for being here. First and foremost, what was going on that made you want to sell your house to us?
Well, to be honest with you, it was a difficult decision because it has to do with family issues. On top of it, with the current economic situation in the country, I realized I need to cut down on my expenses and I need to make my life a little bit more comfortable. Because when the rate went up, my mortgage went up dramatically. So
It happened to a lot of people,
I was
actually.
paying a lot, so I needed to cut the expenses. That was one of the reasons. Yeah.
Why did you choose True North?
I must tell you, I chose True North because I didn't want to go through the house of realtors, bringing different people every time to my house. I had to just sit down with one person here to my house, sat down on the table, and we just came up with the whole conclusion what we want to do.
That's right.
So that really reduced the hassles of the long waits from one viewing to another viewing. So just one person, just like one-stop shop, we got it done, and that's it. We move forward.
That's how we do it. You saw our ad, you contacted us. By that time I came to your house. How was the process from like start to finish, in your opinion?
I must say it was very straightforward, seamless, without stress. Hassle-free.
You know, we gave you an offer, you accepted it. I remember we did some back and forth. And then we just gave it to the lawyers and the rest, we handled it, right? What part of, let's say, you know, throughout the process, what part really stood out for you?
What really stood out for me was the fact that even after we finished selling, because we were there for 12 years, we had a lot of garbage that we had to leave it behind, and we took care of it, cleared it out for us. And the issue of when we agreed on terms, from the time we agreed and from the time they closed out, there was no delay unnecessarily. Everything was quick and everything was straightforward.
I remember the day it was a bit of a surprise. We left some stuff and I said, don't worry, we'll handle it.
Yes, exactly.
We just wanted to get it done.
Yes.
Right? Awesome.
Yes.
So would you recommend us to anybody who's looking to sell, and why would that be?
Absolutely, I would do that because some people are like me, private. They don't want many publicity to do whatever they want to do.
Yeah.
I'm sure that will just fit their kind of lifestyle, in the sense that everything is private. I didn't have to put a sign on my house and the house for sale, or like that, nothing like that.
Yeah.
So it was private, it was smooth, it was very fast. So that's the good reasons to recommend it for all of my friends.
I appreciate
I
it.
already recommend somebody.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Soy.
Yes,
Appreciate your time.
Yes, for sure.